So the question is, washing soda, a compound used to prepare hard water for washing laundry, is a hydrate, which means that a certain number of water molecules are included in the solid structure. Its formula is Na2CO3.xH2O. Okay, so where X is the number of moles of water per mole of Na2CO3. So when 2.558 gram sample of washing soda is heated at 125 degrees Celsius, all the water of hydration is lost, leaving 0.948 gram Na2CO3. So what is the value of X in this question that is asked? Okay, so first of all, we can see the value that is given in the question. So the mass of washing soda, that is given 2.558 gram. So this value is given in the question, and this is the Na2CO3 dot